How to fix Instagram feeds not letting me follow. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and apps again, and then go to feeds, and here just click for stop and go to storage, and now clear cache, and then just go back and try again after restarting your phone. And if that doesn't fix your problem, then just try to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and that's it. If that also doesn't fix it, then the last method is to uninstall Instagram Freeze and install it again, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.